see motherless crying, crying. I see innocent dying, dying. I see motherless crying, crying. I see innocent dying, dying. I see motherless crying, crying. I see innocent dying. Oh no, no. Babylon a fall right now, so free the people. They can never stand tall right now, so free the people. Now your back is on the wall right now, so free the people. They get a lightning ball right now, so free the people. Jah is my guide and protector. Protect me from those evil the world. Way too long now the wicked man a rage. Don't forget to give Jah the praise. So, Babylon a fall right now, so free the people. They can never stand tall right now, so free the people. Now your back is on the wall right now, so free the people. You get a lightning ball right now, so free the people. Babylon can't trick nor fool nor can the people round ya. No, I come to elevate and uplift them with them words sound ya. Yeah, from the vape and the breast to the old man with this, them a hail Rasta. Yes, so the east is the best. Me pull left out the west, gather round Rasta. Yes, all innocent, we in a jail cell break free. Look to the east and hail up the Almighty. Trample the beats, slowly but surely. Africa is our home, no more we not rob. So me burn them scissors and me blood them come. Babylon a fall right now, so free the people. They can never stand tall right now, so free the people. Now your back is on the wall right now, so free the people. They get a lightning ball right now, so free the people. Babylon a fall right now, so free the people. They can never stand tall right now, so free the people. Now your back is on the wall right now, so free the people. They get a lightning ball right now, so free the people. Yeah. Babylon a fall right now, so free the people. They can never stand tall right now, so free the people. They get a lightning ball right now, so
oh, back all dark clothes, no jack. Oh, chop up all flat release. All the deceitful tongues. Boy, if they only stop a moment, look into their life and really pray, I know mankind will really see a better day. I is just an illusion, silver and gold will fade away. What are you waiting for to see the Almighty way? I'm praying for my people local and the one them overseas. I'm praying for the war and crime and violence really cease. I'm praying for the trigger finger man out there stop squeeze. I'm praying for the poor and need, I'm praying for release. I'm praying for the children out there who have nowhere to sleep. I'm praying for mankind to live in love and unity and peace. I'm praying for the war to stop in and the Middle East. I'm praying for the oppressors to take the chain them off our feet. Got to seek and find an axe, and you know it shall be given. It's a knock, 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 and all the doors out there will be open. I see the wicked swallow corruption, I leave him coughing and choking. I'm a son of God, so you know in the earth the living fire will be floating. Be your brother's keeper in this time, ain't no time to laugh, not joking. Word of inspiration in your brain, it will be soaking. I'm praying for my people local and the one them overseas. I'm praying for the war and crime and violence really cease. I'm praying for the trigger finger man out there stop squeeze. I'm praying for the poor and need, I'm praying for release. I'm praying for the children out there who have nowhere to sleep. I'm praying for mankind to live in love and unity and peace. I'm praying for the war to stop in and the Middle East. I'm praying for the oppressors to take the chain them off our feet. And to thee, oh Lord, do I lift up my soul, oh my God. I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed triumph over I and I. Holy I, Celestia the first. I'm praying for my people local and the one them overseas. I'm praying for the war and crime and violence really cease. I'm praying for the trigger finger man out there stop squeeze. I'm praying for the poor and need. I'm praying for the least. I'm praying for the children out there who have nowhere to sleep. I'm praying for mankind to live in love and unity and peace. I'm praying for the wars to stop in and the Middle East. I'm praying for the oppressors to take the chain them off and with the
We do give thanks to the rising and setting of the sun. Yeah, we do give thanks to the dawning of the morning. What a bliss.
Burn them down. Are you ready?
You want to make a
burn them down. Man, I burn them down.
Yeah. They don't know love and honesty. That's why they're creating smart animosity. Oh, they love to promote calamity. Fireman burn them out from out the city. Never burning fire.
Too bad mind, you go burn them. If mankind, you go burn them. Them a play 69, you go burn them. Why I do the dirty wine, you go burn them. Burn them with me now, you bring the drum them. Me say witness what he mind, you go burn them. Burn them, and them gun them. Yeah, me fireman, turn it up.
Hey, them no got no loving on them heart. That's why them get up on a dart. But a long time this a fire start. Moses searcher than the Red Sea part. This a one is like that to them heart. Burn them up before them talk. Dirty Babylon, it's a year fall. I burn them, take the money out of the vault.
And I burn them in the east, and I burn them. Them a live like a beast, and I burn them. They no honest them teeth, burn them. Instead for them a free, burn them. If them diss me this week, burn them. If them diss me last week, burn them. They burn them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Burn them. Burn them down. Man, I burn them down. Burn them, burn them. Burn them down. I am gonna burn them down. Burn them, yeah, man, I burn them. Them gun them, yeah, man, I burn them. I'm gonna run them. I'm gonna burn them with me, now I think you jump them. I'm gonna burn them, burn them.
Yeah, man, yes! I burn them scandal and them slandering. How? Poor us up at the money them squandering. How? Sex, drugs and money laundering. Hate for material, they will do anything. Hey, this fire will be burned. If them never put a foot in our way. Hey, them never take out the youths, them come survive these days. Fire will be burning from distance away. Illuminati, New World Order, 21st century will be burning. Them Frankenstein scientists, them Luciferian and them Satanists. The fire will be burning. I lick them 666. My God, chip them off, me put in your wrist. It's like a bomb, I go blast. Put on your gas and mask. Illuminati and them sickness, yes, them comfy take charge. They've been fighting for the rubies, diamond, gold and pearl and brass. Uranium, titanium, crystal and emerald. First it was the gold rush, now it's for the pit of tar. So tell me if them no foolish when them fight that nuclear war. Them a try to bomb up the earth and then them run go leave a mar. Anyway them go, them buck up in the solar. This fire will be burning. No put in a way. It can take what the youths them do to survive these days. Will be burning from distance away. Illuminati, New World Order, 21st century will be burning. Them Frankenstein scientists, Luciferian and them Satanists, I tell you it will be burning. Them 666, hey, them can't put no chip in a mirror. Alright, yes. Take us home to Ethiopia. Voices comes out from over yonder. Red, gold and green, that is the banner. It's a riot.
It's people out there, oh yeah. War in a Babylon, the tribal war in a Babylon. It's people out there, who are you saying? It's people out there, oh yeah. The Baba men no like the dreadlocks man. The dreadlocks man no like the Baba man no. The police men no like the dreadlocks man. The dreadlocks man no like the police men no. So war in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. It's people out there, who are you saying? It's people out there, oh yeah. War in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. It's people out there, who are you saying? It's people out there, oh yeah. When come pride, then come exchange. A man pride shall bring him low, yeah. Oh yeah. And I shall uphold the humble in spirit. And you know it's true, yeah. Oh yeah. War in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. Who are you? It's people out there. So what we do? We slide out there. Oh yeah. War in a Babylon, tribal war in a Babylon. Who are you? It's people out there. So what we do? And we slide out there. Oh yeah. It's people out there. What we do? And we slide out there.
For too long we've been here in Babylon. Wanna go back home, yeah, to a place called Ethiopia, part of the motherland. First in civilization on the river Nile. 13 months of sunshine, beautiful all the time. Oh Zion, take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh Zion, take me home to Zion. Yeah. Close my eyes, try to visualize. drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate at the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave. Oh, hey, yeah. Remember our forefathers' tears, the life which were lost for us to see peaceful years. When shots stop, who remains flat? Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate at the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave. Oh, hey, yeah. Unity only accepted goes. Conscience must decide the destiny of souls. Wheels rolling down a hill needs no push. Works of the KKK shouldn't be done by us. Instead of love you hate, so they jump. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate at the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave. Oh, hey, yeah. Leadership don't mean damnation. Love don't mean retaliation. If we don't stop these wars, who is gonna be at fault? Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate at the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave. Oh, yeah. Remember our forefathers' tears, the lives which were lost for us to see peaceful years. When shots stop, who remains flat? Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate at the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave.
Can I give you more wine? Make sure your mind is clean. Make sure your heart is pure. You won't find a way to get in or enter to Zion's door. Make sure your conscience free. Make sure your deeds are known. Or you won't get a chance to see the Almighty on His throne. Don't see the sign, but they never take the warning. They'll hear the word, but they never take the calling. Now it's too late to start begging pardon. Fyah is hotter than that, and it's still boiling. So make sure your mind is clean. Make sure your heart is pure, or you won't find a way to get in or enter to Zion's door. Make sure your conscience free. Make sure your deeds are known, or you won't get a chance to see the Almighty on His throne. Fool said in his heart, there is no God. Take serious things for love, but now it's so sad. It's not the first, I hope it is the last.
So show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make them stop set the blood up on Jajalan. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths them know them educated and strong. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths them stop set the blood up on the land. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths know set them positive and them strong. Can't afford for the love to go missing, cause everyone would be fussing, fighting and dissing. Can't afford no hate and chipping, cause everyone would be vexed. Your work will get skipping. Ancient of days they know the way. Rasta man they are selfish all the way. Innocent lives been blown away, yeah. A lot of kids been thrown away, yeah. So show more love in Mr. Rasta man. I make them stop set the blood up on Jajalan. Show more love in Mr. Rasta man. I make the youths them know them educated and strong. Show more love in Mr. Rasta man. I make the youths them stop set the blood up on the land. Show more love in Mr. Rasta man. I make the youths know set them positive and them strong. A lot of people despise them while they wait for the visions to open up their eyes. Then why is it the wicked man that fight them? Now they're saying to themselves it seems no one really like them. Teach the children love and make them learn to. Cause if the Rasta not teach them who them a turn to, show them how much you're really concerned to. Wicked people gonna burn too. So more love, Mr. Rasta man. I make them stop send the blood up on Jajalan. Show them more love, Mr. Rasta man. Make the youths them know them educated and strong. So more love, Mr. Rasta man. I make the ghetto youths stop send the blood up on Jalan. So more love, Mr. Rasta man. I make the youths know them clean and strong. Wow. Don't you hype and exalt it out. Poor people business come sort it out. Serious thing don't laugh it out. Righteousness I come start it out. Yeah, we are all brothers keeper. Yeah, we are sisters keeper. Ooh, of course we are one people. And I'm always gonna say it's good over evil. Yeah, man, so more love, Mr. Rasta man. I make them stop, set the blood up on Jajalan. So them more love, Mr. Rasta man. Make the youths them put them straight across the globe. Earthquake, lightning and thunder. Fire! Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Say to the world, one love and educated intelligence stay above and good over evil, do the right, don't be stubborn. Remember to soul love, remember to govern. Away, with the evil of thoughts. Away, with the evil doing. Away, get rid of spirits of the heart and let the children moving. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them no concern. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them no concern. This fire, it's so consuming, it never out. This fire will be burning, searching out on your whereabouts. If you're red eye, the limit is the sky. Don't you ever doubt. Righteousness prevail, won't you shout, won't you shout, won't you shout. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them learn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Correction is good for your soul. Cleanliness is good for your head. Yeah, have respect for the golden rule. Yeah, love is life. Strength yourself, more people. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't concern. Blaze up the fire upon the wicked heart and make them burn. Them one like them don't want learn. Blaze up the fire, blaze up the fire, blaze up the fire. Oh.
back, oh yes, I see the sun rising. Oh, then I hear a surprise. Oh, my door was knocking. I was surprised. I didn't know that would be my Robin. Oh, I put my door and at my door. And me, my door was fighting. Addy, addy, oh yeah, oh, oh. I give thanks to see another day. Hey, give thanks, my friend, and say, addy, 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 okay. Addy, addy, oh yeah, oh. I give thanks to see another day. Oh, give thanks, my friend, and say, addy, 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 okay. Remember when none was ground and the eternal. Me have to look up to the boiling sun, yes, and face every storm. Keep your calm, yeah, because after storm is a calm. Don't be bad mind, master, because a long time I fight the Gideon. Addy, addy, aye, aye, oh, oh. Addy, addy, aye, I'm okay, oh. Give thanks, my friends, I say, addy, addy, aye, okay. Addy, addy, aye, aye, oh, oh. Addy, addy, aye, okay, oh. Give thanks, my friends, I say, addy, addy, aye, okay. Oh, my people, can you picture this? Sometimes you just gotta sit back, oh. To reminisce, oh, we search my place. We were in search of an ace. We didn't find the money, oh, that I had off into the base. Oh, they take my phone, my ring, my chain, oh, they spread off and gone again. Oh, but I'm giving thanks to never take my life away. Addy, addy, aye, aye, oh, oh, addy, addy, aye, I'm okay, hey. Give thanks, my friend, and say, addy, addy, aye, okay. Addy, addy, aye, aye, oh, oh. Addy, addy, hi, I'm okay. Oh, give thanks, my friend, and say, addy, addy, aye, okay. Give thanks and pray. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh,
like father,
that surround you, separating friends from foes, taking dangerous blows, learning from life as you grow. Yo, do you believe me? And however rough it may seem, it is not a far-fetched dream, and I know dreadlock will be coming in. And however rough it may seem, it is not a far-fetched dream, and I know blessings will be flowing like a stream. Have you ever heard a cage bird sing? There's a time and a place for everything, yeah. Do you believe me? Yeah. Just open up your eyes and look within. There's a time and a place for everything, yeah. Only you could believe me. I said for freedom the cage bird sing. I wanna hear that freedom bell ring until that day. Oh, there will be no peace. Oh no, battles rage upon land and seas, fighting soldiers with desperate knees as children plays upon a land filled with cluster bombs. Lord, have you ever heard a cage bird sing? There's a time and a place for everything, yo. Can you hear me? Yeah. Just open up your eyes, take a look within. There's a time and a place for everything, yo. Do you hear me? This one call you. Time and no time and no time and no time and no place. So do my money ready down the east way in a ace. So try not take your money and go free no base. So watch when you watch and we walk around with it in your way. So Yami no time road ready if you kill you in a ace. So kill you and go hide your body and no left a trace. So listen Buju Banton for the rhythm with me case. So who know what hear me just say it to me face, cause let me see. There's a time and a place for everything, yo. If you don't know, go and ask the son of the king. Just take a look, take a look.
In this your time, man, you have in mind. You get carried away by captivity, carried away by captivity. In this your time, although them say themselves, Jah, with 30 pieces of silver, Jah live forever. You might go come with lightning and thunder. In this your time, anyone can tell a lie, but the truth reveal itself. How you are gonna say that you love Jah, yet you fight tribal against your brother? In this your time, in this your time, Delilah knew what she wanna know. Samson, he got to take the blow. Man have to know himself, don't you know? Birds tangled by them feet, man I got tangled by them tongue. So it was written, so it must be done. In this your time, yeah. In this your time, in this your time, yeah. In this your time, yeah. Oh, you want to say that you love Jah, yet you fight tribal against your brother. In this your time, yeah. In this your time, yeah. In this your time.
From them I forget reality. Them against the roots and culture. That's why they might live like vulture. Yes, them fight against the right tradition. That's why them get caught up in Babylon. 400 years so long, and still they're living wrong. They don't wanna live as one. All of them a live like Taliban, but them done did already. From them no love the Almighty. Say them done did already. From them a fight against reality, Lord. Them done did already. Them better keep it from me. Them done did already. Them a walk in the beat. A jankro and I'm out them conscience for dollars and cents. Them a sell out them looks and them ancients like them don't have no sense. All those who laid the foundation no get no recompensation, and still this young generation don't seem to care one damn. That's why them done it already. From them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done it already. From them a fight against reality. Yeah. Them done it already. Them better keep it from me. Them done it already. Cause them a walk in the peace. Now for them a open sepulchre, sell out for rice and bulgur. That's why them moving so vulgar, kindling the wrath of child. But I'm gonna have to teach them the roots, so they can know the truth and stop living like roots. It's my warning to youth and youth who know done dead already. From who no love the Almighty. Yes, who know done dead already. If who no fight against reality, Lord. Them done dead already. Them better keep it from me. Them done dead already. Them a walk in the beat. Signs of the time, signs of mankind, signs of the time. These are the signs.
As if you're looking for a brighter tomorrow, oh Lord, then you'll have to change today. If you're looking for a brighter future, oh, then let your have His way. Oh, if you look in the world and see just what you can do, there may be someone down and out and need someone to pull him through. But if mankind would unite and try to shine on light, then everything would be right in life. There's still in time. Say it's night. Make up your mind, mankind, and let your light so shine that men may see true love divine, true love divine, true love divine. Let your have His way, oh baby. Let your have His way, oh yeah. Should you hate your brother? No, that's wrong. Should you hate your sister? You know that's wrong. It's time to love your mother. Yes, that's right. Show love to your sister. You know that's right. But if you really wanna save the world, first you gotta save your soul. You gotta have self-control and let your play His role. Yeah. And take a look in the world and see just what you can do. There might be someone sad and lonely and need someone to pull him through. Look within your heart, be willing to play your part as it was ordained from the start. It's
stitch in time, saves time. Make up your mind, mankind, and let your light so shine that men may see true love divine, true love divine, true love divine.
Let your have his way. Let your have his way.
Should you hate your brother? No, that's wrong. Should you hate your sister? You know that's wrong. Time to come together. Yes, that's wrong.
Roots man, we are true born African. Just say, roots man, we are chant on Babylon. Oh, oh. Roots man, we are true born Rastaman. I say, roots man, we are go chant on the Vatican. Oh, living in the city ain't right. That's why they try to mistreat us day and night. Ooh, living in the city ain't right. Oh, that's why they try to steal I and I birthright. I say, roots man, we are true born African. Oh, roots man, we are go chant down Babylon. Just say, roots man, we are true born Rastaman. Oh, roots man, we are go chant down the Vatican. I say, living in the city with too much corruption. That's why I and I have to trot to the hills. Boy, living in the city, it's a bad nation. Yeah, yeah. That's why I and I still no peace. Just say, roots man, we are true born African. Hey, roots man, we are chant down Babylon. Oh, roots man, we are true born Rastaman. Just say, roots man, we are go chant down the Vatican. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, yeah, hold up your roots, hold up your roots, hold up your roots, roots man, hold up your roots, roots man, we are true born Rastaman.
And I say, for man give you $1, you tell him thanks. Man give you orange, you tell him thanks. Why you don't say thanks for life? If you do that, that is right. I say we can't be ungrateful to Jah. We coulda never be unfaithful to Jah. I say, can't be ungrateful to Jah. We shoulda never. I say we give you thanks in the morning and give you praises in the night. So I and I man give praises, but still I celebrate life. So we give you thanks in the morning and give you praises in the night. So I and I man give praises, but still I celebrate life. I said temptation might come my way. Try the best to lead I say, but Jah guide I and I footstep day by day. Oh, love it ever made me strong. I come by blessing one by one. I'm so glad I'm a part of this creation. Remember the part never have no food and the feet never have any shoes, but I still maintain a good attitude. So from the moon, the star, the shine, I know the wind is so divine. Jah, you are so merciful and you're so kind. So can't be ungrateful to Jah. We coulda never be unfaithful to Jah. We say we can't be ungrateful to Jah. We coulda never. So we
give thanks in the morning and our praises in the night. So I and I man give praises, but still I celebrate life. So cannot forget to make you live. From was a youth until you big and help us to cross over that bridge. Beautiful feelings I have felt because we found ourselves with them. But yes, we're happy even without earthly wealth. I've seen people who dug my pit, them see one fall down in it and not even was strong. I never live, so we can't be ungrateful to Jah. We could never be unfaithful to Jah. Me say we can't be ungrateful to Jah. Could never be unfaithful to Jah. So we give thanks in the morning and praises in the night. So I and I man give praises, we still a celebrate life. You get a run from a one or a dozen apple, you woulda kiss him foot, but I'm a rip and make the birthday man make your life. You know I say thank you as if who run life. You don't really have a clue. Look much time we make a mess, how much time we transgress and still Jah guide and him protect us. And nevertheless, enough time we helpless in the attack of death, but Jah help us to conquer. Stand up in the place, so can't be ungrateful to Jah. Never be unfaithful to Jah. Me say can't be ungrateful to Jah. Never be unfaithful to Jah.
To see when parents are ball, 'cause them child blood just stand up the wall. Again I cry tears to see a man start cry, 'cause them find out him girl just die. It makes me cry tears to see a woman in a pain, 'cause she man just get shot down the lane. It makes me cry tears to know we have to hold we head up high and ask the Almighty God why did they have to go? They didn't do no wrong, but if they did, only you know. Some people just won't understand. That's the way your life goes. You will reap what you sow. Don't want like you never know. Father's God is out of you. There ain't nothing you can do. That is what I gotta say. I cry tears to see when parents are ball, 'cause them child blood just turn up the wall. Again I cry tears to see a big man a cry, 'cause him find out him girl just die. It makes me cry tears to see a woman in a pain, 'cause somebody just shot out her brain. It makes me cry tears to know we have to hold we head up high and ask Almighty Jah, when will this madness end? I don't wanna lose another friend or a member of my family. I think that would drive me crazy. If one of them dead from gunshot, I could not take that. But what am I supposed to do? Revenge would be the first act. All I have to take time and think.
I will never fail. I will never fail. From my emperor Selassie, I the youth them are here. I will never fail. I will never fail. I good over evil righteousness must have to prevail. I will never fail. I will never fail. When I broke down the barriers and the borders and the rail. I will never fail. I will never fail. But the black star line I'm on a sail. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one you lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one you take them like a lava. Oh, boom, a boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman them alone myself we get this harder, yeah. Boom, that one that name Chop. Hold the orders and the discipline. And tell the whole of them not try for this the king. Cause we are the king of all kings. We not eat the fish them cause we know them have to swim. We not eat the bird them cause we know them have to sing. Emperor Selassie ruler over all things. Tell them some be careful of the words when them a fling. Now me tell the youth to go them locks and say no trim. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one you lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. burn like a lava. Oh, boot a boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman never alone myself we get this harder. It no make no sense. Babylon you cruel, 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 cruel. More fire man I say and more fuel. Yes you too cruel, cruel, cruel. Well of the wicked man I feel go bed like jewel. Yes you too cruel, cruel, cruel. Never speak the truth, you only lie, you never true. Yes you too cruel, cruel, cruel. If I don't bun them up cruel. Babylon go down, blood down. In your own blood we say you are go down. Go down, blood down. No fear to you to put under the ground. Go down, go down. Some men burn them up with words and powers and sound. Go down, go down. Someone catch up on the shark and I go drown. My voice is like the instrument. Word, sound and power with good influence. But the wicked man with the things where them I implement. Them done it deliberately, it was coincidence. Vampire get paid with them penicillin. Some find out them don't got no diligence. Sell out the ghetto loot them through dividends. That's the far where tell the youth them intelligence. Tell them again, me tell them say go down, go down. Only if I get for you to put under the ground. Go down, blood down. You know you own a blood, me say you are go down. Go down, go down. Rastafari bless the youth with great powers and sound. Go down, go down. Burn comedian on the clown. Alright, so me say again. The things in the ghetto ain't proper. Them treat the ghetto youth them like grandpa. And turn poor people in a squatter. Give them gun, then turn them in a shatter. Bullets start shoot them like maca. Enough of them got turn gun tata. Gun longer. See them now, Rastafari tell the youth the fire. That's what me say again. Get down, get down. Vampires and pagan and the whole of them a clown. Get down, get down. All the leaders them a let the people down. Get down.
He's gonna make some trouble. What they calling I a DJ. Every time we pass away, I hear the Babylon say, here goes a Rasta man. He's gonna make some trouble. What they calling I a DJ. I know how I wear my locks upon my
na 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 na. Where Coco tell them say, if you stop it, white collar executive stop run rocket. Cause if you check them pocket, things you wouldn't believe, the boy them got it. Oi oi, there ain't no love in the city. They're treating the people without pity. No love in the country. All about the dying for mercy. Well, some of them down from them hat to them shoes and socks. War and crime, corruption, them a mingle up in a that. Big shot executive, but them are your cat. The looting, executing have to stop. I tell them drop it. Big shot man, please stop the rocket. Why yo? They want to put a padlock on your mouth. If you speak the truth, them flush you out. Influence the youth, them east, west, north and south. And then them tell the cops to shoot them out. There ain't no love in the city. They're treating the youth without a pity. No love in the country. That's why them say black man a monkey. La 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 la. Well, everyone want to have a SUV. Sell the coke and sell the crack and then they make the money. Criticize the ganja man, say he must sell drug. And when you take a sack of it, them house the feds bug. Stop it, white collar executive, stop running the rocket. Boy, yo, me a tell them drop it. Big Magnum, yes I them got it. Boy, yo,
give me up. You better make it safe for each other. Yeah, Emperor Selassie, boy, yeah. Love and love. Give me up. You better make it safe for each other. For the children to follow. Have you no sister? Have you no brother? Yeah. Don't go around hurting one another. Cause Jah got a blessing for you. Just got a blessing for your children and their children too. Love the little that's what I say. Jah got a blessing for you. Just got a blessing for your children and their children too. Love the little children. No war, no catastrophe. Don't destroy people and their property. Power comes with responsibility. Do what you're doing and do it properly. Cause Jah got a blessing for you. For your children and their children too. That's what I say. Rastafari got his blessing for you. For your children and their children too. Shall never fail it. No way. In all his doings he prevaileth. Black star line a sailing. Heaven and earth, all things are created. Cause Jah got a blessing for you. Just got a blessing for you. All your children and your children too. Love the little children. Mighty
Great is the maker of everything, every being that's living. Great and small, he created all, but his name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, evil things not spoken of. Mighty God is terrible than all. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just Messenjah and sing. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just Messenjah and sing. I'd walk in the paths of righteousness, spreading your love and happiness, speaking your word all over, try to heal the world. Hoping one day that things will turn, all mankind the truth and love, showing the youth the way to earn, to escape the fire burn. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just listen, I'll receive. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just listen, I'll receive. Let us make a joyful noise and let the whole world hear your voice. Let's be humble and be wise and be upright in your eyes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. These blessings we will see. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just blessings we will see.
Mighty and terrible is He, creator of land and sea, all things great and small, created He, one and all.
Great is the maker of everything, every being that's living. Great and small, He created all. On His name we all must call. He made the heavens and the firmament, evil things not spoken of. Mighty Jah is terrible, it's terrible than all. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. The blessings I receive. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I believe. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. The blessings I receive. Mighty God, mighty God. Oh, mighty God, mighty God. So much burden we bear. We know we will overcome them. Fighting on and on. The fight is still on, but better must come. Puff up yourself now, get up and go. The journey ain't over. We have just begun. For you, Jah, there is a lot to be done. Tell them no talk, cause better must come. Puff up yourself now, get up and go. The journey ain't over. We have just begun. For you, Jah, there is a lot to be done. Where is our compensation? I tell you this, in this generation, there shall be no intimidation. Oh, because of the love, that is what keeps us so strong, yeah. The love, keep going on and on, yeah, yeah. Set you free, man must be free, yeah, yeah. Do this by yourself. So get up and fight, cause better must come. Tough up yourself now, get up and go. The journey ain't over. We have just begun. For you, Jah, there is a lot to be done. Get up and fight now, better must come. Tough up yourself now, get up and go. The journey ain't over. It has just begun. For you, Jah, there is a lot to be done. It is only desperation, cause this generation too confused in a state where they hate themselves. No, this is no illusion. What the government say? Oh, their dirty play. Crime at the highest stage. We work for the minimum wage. That's how the system stay, designed to keep you away. What is good? Yeah. What is right? Oh, I know the system wanna take you away from what is
it up and fight fast. Better must move up yourself now.
Got to have faith in Jah and live right. The faith is all you got to move mountains at times. All I know is art, the Gideon red, and I said youths are dead. Come on, let's pray for them. I know it's art, the Gideon's red, and I said youths are dead. Come on, let's pray for them now. Pray for the youths them, don't wanna shoot them. Uplift the youth them, don't misuse them. Give them some guidance, don't refuse them. Of shall love no time. They say mine is a terrible thing to waste. What about the youth them faith? But now you give them more guns to create some more crime. You take another youth life. Faith in Jah to live right. Your faith is all you got to move mountains at times. All I know is I, the Gideon red, and I said youths are dead. I know it's I, the Gideon red, and I said youths are dead. Living life upright, and for life you got to rejoice. Keep the faith and don't watch no faith with. Faith in Jah, you move obstacles out your way. And faith in Jah, when it should no matter when. And faith in Jah, them can't rot away with. Faith in Jah, they keep a liberty with. Faith in Jah, Rasta Babylon, them can't read. They can never yeah, all Rasta down. Keng. Politician a go dead off, and they get on you them a go laugh. Keng. Me see it in front me eye. Wonder to myself for the politician them a try. One man me praise Emperor Selassie I. Don't know the them different from this Fyah, but don't know the gear them different from the guy. Matters first, matters less. Just tell them say but need a blind politician a go dead off, and they get on you them a go laugh. Keng. Politician a go dead off, and they get on you them a go laugh. Keng. A liquor machine go run between some and a Soviet and shotgun. Me hear say about $9 million run, and I know Soviet bad man no get none. I know nitty-gritty bad man no get none. I know Vietnam bad man no get none. The whole of the money spent by the man a shotgun. Them take it by bombs, use it by gun. And I run a Soviet with some pump and fit on. So make what? One side on the ground, we sit down with this drum ruga. I'm a quad with this big magnum. Politician a go dead off, and they get on you them a go love. Keng. Sing politician a go dead off, and they get on you them a go love. Keng. Me see it in front me eye. Wonder to myself for the politician them a try. And man me praise Emperor Selassie I. And man me praise Emperor Selassie I. Come I don't know they them different from this spy. Bun Billy Lynch a coulda what them a try. Bun Billy Lynch a coulda what them a try. I coulda what them a try. Politician a go dead off, and they get on you them a go laugh. Keng. Sing politician a go dead off, and they get on you them a go laugh. Keng. A liquor machine go run between some and a Soviet and shotgun.
nothing to eat. Boy, too much war and war in the city, that's a pity. Boy, too much innocent dead out. Boy, too much war and war in the city, that's a pity. Boy, too much innocent dead out. When I turn on the radio and listen to the late news show, I hear gas gone up, the price it raised. Shoot them nowadays, just I give out them days. Take a walk on halfway